Hello and welcome to this video tutorial for the Space Combat Kit for Unity, where I'll be showing you how to create a player or AI in your game using the Game Agent component. So we have an empty scene here. The first thing we'll do is create a new game object and call it player. And then we'll add a Game Agent component to it. That's what you'll do for both the player or the AI, but in this case I'll be demonstrating the player. Now you'll see in the inspector this label field, which is what's shown when a radar is tracking a vehicle that this game agent is occupying. The isPlayer field, which we'll set to true, helps you determine from a game agent reference if it's the player or an AI. This starting vehicle field is the vehicle that this game agent will enter when the game starts. So for example, we can create a new game object, call it vehicle, add a vehicle component, and then we can drag that into the starting vehicle field. And when the game starts, this game agent will enter that vehicle. Now, of course, this vehicle won't do anything. It's just got a vehicle component, but that's just to show you how to set that starting vehicle reference. We'll be going into how to create different kinds of vehicles in a different video. Also, during gameplay, you can switch between different vehicles by calling the enter vehicle function on the game agent component. So for example, if we open this script, you'll see the enter vehicle function here. If you pass null, it will exit all vehicles. If you pass a new vehicle reference, it will exit the old vehicle and enter the new vehicle. So that's how to switch between different vehicles for this game agent during gameplay. Now under here you also have a bunch of events for when the game agent enters a vehicle, when it exits a vehicle, when it dies, and when it's revived, which helps you wire up your own functionality in the editor without having to write code and make that as easy as possible. So one important thing to take away from this video is that a game agent does not have a physical form. It is simply an identity for something that can take different forms in the game, whether that's a first-person character, third-person character, a spaceship, a turret, whatever else you like. That form is the vehicle. The game agent is an identity for something that can switch between those different vehicles. So just keep that in mind, that the game agent does not have a form of its own. Another thing to take away from this video is all the different control scripts for all the different vehicles you'd like this game agent to be able to control in the game must be added to the hierarchy of this game agent component, and they also must derive from the vehicle input base class. So for example, if we'd like this game agent to be able to control a space vehicle, we create a new game object as a child of the game agent, call it space vehicle controls, and add a player space vehicle flight controls component, which derives from vehicle input. And what will happen when this game agent enters a new vehicle, it will attempt to start this control script, and if it's compatible with the vehicle, it will start running. So for example, if we'd like this game agent to also be able to control a first-person character, we can create a new game object as a child of the game agent, call it first-person character controls, and add a player first-person character input component, which also derives from vehicle input. And now this game agent can enter a spaceship or a first-person character, and it will be able to control both of them. So that pretty much wraps it up for game agents. The only real difference between creating a player or an AI is this is player setting here. And also, of course, the control scripts themselves will be different, but we'll be going over the differences between player and AI control scripts in a different video. But that should help you set up a player or AI in your game with the Space Combat Kit for Unity. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in a different video.